Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's tutorial is on this look. It's a really pretty kind of bright but also pastel periwinkle look. I've been loving the trend of pastel eyes where it's kind of just one shadow blown out on your lid, and it's so pretty and fun and also so simple to create. So I hope that you guys enjoy today's tutorial, and if you want to stick around to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. I'm going into the BH Cosmetics Ultimate Matte 42 color shadow palette, and I'm picking up this kind of periwinkle shade. So we're starting off this look a little different than I usually do. So I'm using my E54 medium sweeper brush by Sigma, and I'm packing on the shadow all across my lid first. And then I'm going to switch over to my Sigma E25 blending brush, and I picked up this shadow on the tip of this brush, and I'm first tapping this all the way into the inner corner of my crease and this outer corner, and then start slowly doing kind of windshield wiper motions to start blending the shadow out, and then circular motions again to further blend it out. I'm now picking up more, and I'm going to create a winged out kind of smoky shape here, just going from this outer corner of my lash line up towards the tail of my brow, and then back from that line through the crease. And I'm picking up a little bit more shadow as I keep going back and forth to apply and blend the shadow, because I want to create a nice kind of intense pastel through my crease. What you can also do is apply it with your E54 medium sweeper brush, because it is a denser kind of shorter bristle brush. It's going to pack on more of that shadow, and then again just pack on over the lid. And then you can go in with your E25 to blend out the edges. I'm going into TheBalm Liquid Eyeshadow in Lavender Mimosa. I picked up a small amount of the liquid shadow on my finger, and I'm going to start tapping this on my lid. So when you're applying the liquid shadow, because it is wet and a liquid, it might pick up a little bit of that shadow on the bottom. So I'm just picking up a little bit on my finger and just lightly tapping that over top, not to kind of cover up the sparkle, but just to add that pigment back into the lid. I'm going into the Benefit Cookie Highlight. And just to help tie in the look with the rest of my face, I have this highlighter on my cheekbone, so I'm going to apply this just on the inner corner with my Sigma F70 concealer brush. To line my waterline, I'm going to the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Perversion. I'm now going to line my upper lash line. I'm now going to apply some mascara and false lashes, and I'm going to the Carity 3D Foam Ink Lashes in Jamie. And that's the eye look done. So I just filmed like basically a whole lip routine, whole lip look, lip liner, lipstick, lip gloss, and I hated it and took it off. And now we're gonna go into the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick, part of the Le Chocolat collection in Sweet Tooth. I was looking through my lip gloss collection, and I found this lip gloss that I think is going to tie in perfectly with the entire look, and that is the Ofra Lip Gloss in BRB. It is so pretty, so I'm going to put this on over top of my lipstick, and hopefully it looks good. And that is it. This is a completed look of my pastel lavender / pastel purple eyeshadow look. I hope that you guys enjoyed. I am obsessed with this look so much. I honestly want to create this look with every pastel shade. Mint, blue, yellow, orange, anything. I want it on my eyes. I love that the concentration is all on the top of the lid, and then the lower lash line is really nice and bare and fresh and simple, and I'm loving it. If you want to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, that'd be right here, as well as down in the description box, and also a list of all the products that I used today, along with my brush set with Sigma that I used to create this look, will be listed down below for you guys to find everything easier. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload. And if you like this tutorial, give this video a thumbs up so that I know that you guys liked it. And I think that should be it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!